Hello Amazon shoppers, this is Amy with 911 Studios, and today we are shouting out some of our favorite sneaker brands that you can get here on Amazon. This is the Nike Air Max Bella. You guys, this is my favorite shoe for CrossFit classes or really any boot camp style class. This is going to give you a lot of great arch support, a lot of cushioned sole. So, if you're doing jumping and that kind of thing, coming down, this is going to really give you a lot of support in your heels as well. It's good for short runs, but this is probably too, I don't want to say clunky because that sounds bad, but I guess just too heavy of a shoe to really be great for like marathon running. This is more of a short burst kind of thing. I also love that this is going to have points on each side of the sole that gives you a lot of multi-directional traction. So again, that's why I say this is really good for CrossFit classes, boot camp style classes, anything where you are training and you're going to be switching directions, that sort of thing. This is really going to keep you safe, keep your ankles safe, and just give you that performance edge. The shaft of the shoe comes up a little bit higher, so again, it's going to be good for ankles. If you have weaker ankles, you definitely want that shoe that offers you, just even if it's just psychological, that offers you just a little bit more comfort around your ankles. This is going to be one for you. Not only are these comfortable and are they great for all of your exercise classes, they're comfortable to walk around town and they are super stylish. They come in several different colors. Check them all out. Go ahead, you guys, put these in your cart. You're gonna be really happy with them.